Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete profile picture on Facebook. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. The steps are so simple to follow, just make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook like this, as you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now tap on your profile, as you can see now, the profile that you want to remove or that you want to delete. So as you can see now, I want to just delete this profile, so tap on the profile picture. So tap on this see profile picture, this one. So in this section now, tap on this three dot at the top right side. So now tap on this delete photo section, this one. Tap on this delete again. So now I delete the photos. So now go back. So now refresh your page, as you can see now. So as you can see now, I delete this page, or I remove this profile picture on my Facebook. That's it guys on how to delete it. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.